Today I walking in new places, looking for quartz veins, and I figure out something is what here looks like quartz is coming. So I need to figure out, do we have more or just very little? So I need to open and see what I'm getting here. Okay, looks like quartz with the silver, looks like. So let's see what we can get here deeper. Okay, again quartz, but dirty one, but that doesn't matter. That way you can find big one quartz vein, starting from little one, because on the surface they come very little. Okay, need to get a shower. Okay, we do the test of those rocks. There, quartz. Maybe it can be gold. And I see another one over here, something. A lot of brown, but this brown is not right one. It's a rust, but can be gold too. Uh-oh. Yeah, I see. Quartz. I have some little brown. It can be gold too inside. So if you found it, then you can continue looking, follow that vein till you get something better. Oh, looks like quartz. You see, you can even tell it that it's quartz. But there is quartz. What is this bug? Okay. Okay, need to work with two hands, not one. So some kind of quartz is there, but very dirty, with a lot of black stuff. So I need to test it before I dig deeper, because going deep on the surface, nothing there. Well, here maybe something, but it's the same thing. Okay, mixed with some kind of different material, not just the quartz. So a lot of iron decomposed, so we'll see. I'm taking this one, this amount, and we'll see what we can get it. Do the test first before taking a lot. Do the test. If you get the gold, then you can come back. Okay, and I see one more thing over here. You see those tiny veins over here? Need to take it out too. See the vein? Tiny one. Nothing. But sometimes you have gold too. Okay. So right now enough for me to test it. Later on we'll see if there is little bit signs of gold. then we can take it deep, go deeper. Back home, and right now I check. This is 2 locations where I was collecting some quartz. Not so nice looking, but worth to test it. If we have gold, then I can go and do some more, collect more gold. Okay, this is second location. This is bigger pieces. I took it from the hill side, right away from the veins. I'm like little veins coming, so I need to check this ones and this ones, check for gold. And if I know a location where I got this ones and no location where I got those ones, so if they have gold, I go in the same place and I collect more. So let me crush one part, then after we crush second one. So I crush first pile and now classifying little bit. You see, I'm not crushing all the way because they are white, they don't have nothing, so where is the point crushing? Or maybe it's something, but need to look in microscope. So right now I just pan it. If there is gold, at least little pieces, then I crush little bit more. If no, then why I just throw it away. Okay, I go pan it right now. Okay, let's do the panning. Actually, I need to collect this dust. Maybe let me do. We'll see. Do we have gold or not? Okay, now I need to pan it this. That'll be quick. Let me. It's almost everything. Look. This is a gold, guys. You see those little pieces? This is our gold. In the rock. It's very small pieces. That kind of size I'm getting in the river. And so right now, I know this place have gold. Some pieces little bit bigger. Okay, but mostly it's a microscopic size. Okay, so I'm transferring everything what is there. Look how little. Transferring everything to the beakers, and we'll see how much gold we get. Okay, this is that is the gold. See how gold looks when you coming from the rock. This looks like not rounded or something. It's just, you see, and this looks a lot. So this goes to the beaker. We can dissolve it. So we'll see. So I add hydrochloric acid. Right now I'm boiling to remove all iron, and at the same time I'll be crushing rest of this material. There is gold, so I want to recover almost everything what is in there. Okay, so let's see. So right now I need to classify and go pan it again. This is second time crushed material. Okay, shaking, taking that dirt away. I do a little bit later separate and see what we get in there. One more time. Shaking. Okay, if there is gold in that dust, it's in that bottle. So right now I be panning this sand, no worries, because if gold is there, it's in the bottom, so no problem. There no black sand, no nothing. That is good, easy to pan it. If you see gold, it means there is gold. So let's Okay, let's see. Let's see how little left. So let's see. Do we have heavy material? Oh, yeah. You see, the gold is so small. Look. Again, I see gold. Okay. So transfer this gold to the beaker with the hydrochloric acid, and later on, you see how little amounts of gold is. You need to work on tons of material to get some kind of good results. So this is just testing to see and do we have gold at all. So okay, this much I transferring to the beaker. I decanting this hydrochloric acid. You see, it's very nice color, but there is not a gold. And transferring that new material here. Okay, new material, very little. See, let me put it in place. That second batch in here, and adding already used hydrochloric acid and putting on the heat to boil for a while. Okay, heat on, let him work. Okay, color is nice. Let's see, do we have a gold? Tested this suspicious color. Okay, let's put it in. Okay, and then don't even need to nothing. If there is something, we will see. Up, up, up. Nothing. So means just iron. You see, clear, clear, no gold. So gold not dissolved, so we continue. So let's transfer this dust. So let's take it out away, everything, all water, and what's left in the bottom we're transferring to the beaker. This is dust. Normally we always throw away this thing. Okay, so let him settle down. In a few minutes everything settles down. We work. Settle dust. I boiling for a few minutes till it gets hot. All dust comes down, and then we put hydrochloric acid and everything else. We will see how everything works in this place. Do we have gold or not? If we have gold, the gold be on the bottom, then we will see it. But this is dust. Remember this? It's like lightest material when we panning. Normally all goes away, but normally there is a gold, sometimes a lot. Okay, so that way you need to know how to do chemical recovery. Another way you're losing a lot of gold. So this one, gold already, you see in the bottom there, something black or something, there's our gold, those dots. So I be doing aqua regia, this one, and we'll see how everything works. Hydrochloric acid, try to put possible small amount like this, and then potassium nitrate. I don't use nitric acid because we don't have a lot of gold. We don't need that chemicals too much. Potassium nitrate works very well. So now this is supposed to, when I get heated, that becomes aqua regia solution, start dissolving gold, and this solution becomes yellow color. Okay, here, remember with that dust, so I need to decant this stuff, wash it, and do aqua regia too, and we'll see what is inside. I make aqua regia, and that dust, there is some kind of particles, but they are so small I can't even see almost. So aqua regia will figure out. This solution where our gold is still dissolving, so I need to keep it for a little bit longer Yeah, it's still dissolving. You see those granules? That is a gold granules. Okay, let him work. This is hydrochloric acid in this beaker. So, okay. We can do the test now and see do we have a gold in this solution, okay? And I'm putting stannous chloride. Boom. See? Right away get purple color. Okay? So means we have a gold. Putting back. So do the dust have a gold or not? Okay, the same thing. And putting stannous chloride. Yes, very little. But color change. You got purple. So not a lot, but there is gold. Okay, so yeah, you see in solution when I'm putting, but solution is still strong. So now we're boiling till everything on the bottom. You don't see any more little black color dots. Okay, let's see. This is very little amount of gold, guys. It's just you want to make a lot, like a 3 tips doing. I need to have a lot, like ton of material to work on. But I don't have that kind of energy to do this work. So I just playing with little ones. Maybe somebody one day I help them to get more, but for right now, that much how much I can. Okay, it's boiling, let him boil. Getting cloudy, so means we have silver in solution too. Okay, no more, no worry. Silver is always with the gold. So especially when that gold is in the rocks. So next be this one. It dissolves very slowly, so you need to make a hot, more heat, or you need to make a longer period of time you're heating. You see those little bubbles? That says it's still something dissolving. I suspect this is gold, but gold always dissolves slowly, you know, especially metallic gold, which one is a little bit bigger pieces, and here is little bit bigger pieces, mostly was metallic, so dissolves slowly. I see on the bottom you see those little dots, that is need to be dissolved. Okay, so with the gold, you no rush, work slowly. And this one, as I think is done, we need to put urea and put on filtration and done. Okay, urea, mix it, let them settle down. That dust, this is dust. And then I put on a filtration filter, cotton filter. Okay, filtrating. Here very little gold, so I'm not expecting nothing special. And here little bit more gold. Of course, you saw how much. There is just barely something, milligrams. Okay, so when we don't see too much bubbles coming, so means done. Let's put urea. Wow, strong. It means everything dissolved. Okay. I'm not putting SMB when I recovering gold. I'm using stannous chloride to recover that gold, precipitate. And when I already have a big amount of gold, then I use SMB. But for right now, and stannous chloride, okay. Okay, this is filtrating. So maybe another beaker. Let's try another beaker. Here. When this finishes, then I go another one. Filtration is done. This is gold what you saw when I pan it, and this is supposed to be gold which one contains in the dust. Okay, so that solution a little bit less. So let's put stannous chloride and see what we get. Okay, first we go on here. And you see nothing too much changing. Slow reaction. Okay, now it's getting purple. Getting purple, but why it's so slow? It's no, it means not a lot. You see, it started going purple. This is purple color. See? Okay, oh, now it's getting black. Interesting. I never see that kind of slow. They're normally putting in it right away. Okay, one more. And this is dust, gold. So far, dust don't change nothing too much. Very slowly too. Very slowly. Let him settle down, stay a little bit. And this one, I see how dark it became. So now, put in the tray and let him coagulate, and we'll see what is inside. And dust, strange. I saw something, but it's almost nothing. Not changing color. So not every time you get that gold in the dust so far. Maybe more stannous chloride, but not the same thing. Not changing. So that gold was metallic, not a dust. Okay, this is not a bit invisible gold, so you see nothing changing. And this one, slow reaction, but it's changed, everything black. So let him settle down, we'll see in a few minutes. That way I collecting that gold. That way collecting the gold, and here barely something. It's like nothing. Okay, so I think it's enough for this video. Next video for this one.